my natural hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger than ever before. My hair is currently hip length, all with DIY recipes. At the beginning of my natural hair journey, I used many a thing to produce these results. I used to have a weekly wash day. I tried African black soap to shampoo my hair. I tried bentonite clay. I tried, sticking with store-bought products, using different brands, this brand, and nothing produced these results except for homemade DIY recipes. This is my hair before. This is my hair now. You do the math. I not only was able to grow my hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger, and achieve lengths I never thought was possible for me, but I also was able to crack growing 1 inch plus of hair in a month. 1 inch plus of hair in a month with these very same recipes. And not only can I testify to that, but my best friend can testify to that, and many lovelies who have already begun implementing the techniques and routines in my growth training one-on-one guide can testify to these recipes helping them achieve hair growth, hair health, hair length that they have never seen before. So if you want to also unlock longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger hair and achieve hair growth and length that you never thought was possible for you, go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab our growth training one-on-one guide. It is a step-by-step, detailed plan in a calendar, day by day, week by week, month by month, of techniques, recipes, and routines that I use to get my hair to this length. And as I said before, that many lovelies who are already using the guide are using to grow their hair longer and thicker and healthier than ever before, and are crying literal tears of joy because of how much their hair has benefited from the recipes in this guide. And to celebrate the 1-year anniversary of the Growth Training Guide, we are doing a super sale. This is the lowest the Growth Training Guide has ever been. And it's to celebrate all of you lovelies who have been on the journey with us on this channel, and all of the lovelies who've already purchased the guide, because we actually care about you having a positive relationship with your natural hair and achieving your natural hair goals at an affordable, accessible price, and with recipes that are also accessible for you to get. I mean, I'm sure most of the ingredients are already in your kitchen, but you didn't know that that ingredient is the key to you unlocking the hair of your dreams. So go to justforblackgirls.com/shop and shop the Growth Training Guide now while we are doing our super sale, so you can have access to these recipes at the lowest they have ever been, and set yourself on the path to unlocking longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger natural hair today. Also, I have to say, I understand where we are right now in the world. If you don't have the extra income to go and shop this guide, please feel free to go on the channel and take advantage of the recipes that we have already posted. The protein treatment recipes that help me unlock waist length hair. I just uploaded a new wash day routine because Sierra and I moved to Mexico and we don't have access to everything we had before, so we had to adjust our wash day. And that is on the channel. We have a moisturizing routine, and an updated one is coming, and an updated blow dry routine is coming. All of these things to help you achieve your natural hair goals and promote faster hair growth just with what you already have. So please feel free to check out the channel and take advantage of those videos. But if you do want to invest in yourself and take that step, head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab our Growth Training one-on-one guide. You will not regret it. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. But until next time, lovelies, bye.